Hi children, today we are going to learn about location. Here it says that behind or front. Now here we have to circle the picture which shows the dog behind. So here we got these three keywords and we have to keep them in mind that we have to circle the picture where the dog is behind, right? So here you can see that in all these three pictures we got a dog and a purple door, right? And we have to circle the picture where the dog is behind. Here you can see the complete dog. No parts of the dog are hidden. That means that the dog is in front of this purple door, right? So the dog is in front of this purple door. So this dog is not behind the door. So this is not the correct picture. Now let's move towards another picture. Here you can see that some parts of the dog are not visible because the dog is behind this purple door. So this is the correct picture, as in the question it says that we have to find out where the dog is behind. So this is the correct picture. Now let's move towards the last picture. Here again all parts of the dog are visible. That shows that the dog is in front of the door, not behind the door. So this is also not the correct answer. So this is the correct answer. So let's start circling this picture as it is mentioned in the question. Congratulations kiddos, we are done with our today's task. Now let's move towards the second task. Here it says that again we have to circle the picture which shows the cat behind. Now in all these three pictures you can see there's a green tree and a purple cat, right? And this cat is very cute and beautiful. Now we have to circle the picture where the cat is behind. Now in this picture all parts of the cat are visible, right? No parts of the cat are hidden. So this shows that the cat is in front of the tree. So this is not the correct picture because in the question we have to find out the picture where the cat is behind. And here you can see that some parts of the cat are not visible, right? So this shows that the cat is behind the green tree. So this is the correct picture. But let's look at the last picture as well so that we don't do any kind of mistake. Again, here all parts of the cat are visible. That shows that the cat is in front of the green tree, and this is not the correct answer, right? Or the correct picture. So this is the correct picture. So let's start circling the picture which shows the cat behind. So we are done with our second task as well. Now let's move towards the third task or the third row. Here again we have to circle the picture which shows the bird behind. Here you can see that here we got in all these three pictures a red house and a red bird. And here some parts of the bird are not visible, right? Which shows that the bird is behind this red house, right? Which shows that the bird is behind this red house. So this is the correct picture, as in the question it is mentioned that we have to find the picture where the bird is behind. Here we can see that all parts of the bird are visible and the bird is completely visible. No parts of the bird are hidden. So this is not the correct picture. So we won't choose this one. Similarly over here, all the parts of the bird are visible. We can see the complete bird, which shows that the bird is in front of this red house, right? So this is also not the correct picture. And here we got this correct picture. So let's start circling this picture which shows the bird behind. Now let's move towards the last row or the last task. Here again we have to circle the picture which shows the hen behind, right? And here you can see that in all these three pictures we got hen and a fence. Here the complete hen is visible, right? All parts of the hen are visible. That means that the hen is in front of the fence, not behind the fence. So this is not the correct answer. Here again all parts of the hen are visible. So here Also, the hen is in front of the fence, not behind the fence. So this is also not the correct picture. Now let's look at the last picture. Here you can see that the hen is not completely visible. For example, this part, or you can say this part, and also this part. These parts are not visible. That means that the hen is behind the fence. So this is the correct picture. As in the question, it is instructed that we have to find out the picture where the hen is behind the fence. So let's start circling the correct picture. Congratulations, kiddos, we are done with our today's task. So remember, in this task, we always have to read the question and we have to see that whether we have to find out the object which is behind or in front. For example, here we have to look at the question and it says behind. That means we have to find out that where is the dog behind the purple door, and how we would know that the dog is behind the purple door when some parts of the dog are not visible, or you can say when the dog is not completely visible. Here the dog is completely visible. Here again the dog is completely visible, but in this picture some parts of the dog are not visible, through which you can indicate that this dog is behind the purple door, and we can circle this picture. I hope that makes sense to you all. Keep practicing to avoid any kind of mistakes in the future. Thank you so much.